Yeah, I think the EyeSight system has helped us all be better drivers.
Advancing safety is about anticipating danger before it arrives. That's why Subaru developed EyeSight Driver Assist technology, one of the first safety systems of its kind. It can watch the road and help protect you if the unpredictable happens. With pre-collision throttle management, EyeSight can help give you time when you need more time to stop. EyeSight watches the road, monitoring the car ahead of you. If the car begins accelerating and then slows abruptly, pre-collision throttle management can immediately reduce power to the engine. This helps give you more time to respond and apply the brakes.
I was very skeptical at the beginning, but I've seen firsthand that there are clear benefits to having the technology.
So why EyeSight? For some, it's getting enough time to react quickly. For others, it's like having an extra set of eyes on the road. Subaru EyeSight. It's about always looking ahead.